In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a Google Sheets trigger to n8n. Let's dive right in, starting with some simple steps to create this connection effortlessly. First, you'll want to go to your n8n dashboard. This serves as the central hub where all your workflows come to life. From here, your journey begins by clicking on Create Workflow. This option is typically easy to spot and is positioned conveniently on your screen, ready to initiate a new sequence of automated tasks. Once you've selected Create Workflow, the next screen you'll encounter features a prominent plus button. This simple symbol is more than just a shape. It's your gateway to add nodes, the building blocks of your workflow. By clicking on this plus button, you'll be met with a variety of options. Here, you'll need to type in Google Sheets into the search bar. This action streamlines the process, filtering the options so you can see precisely what you need. After typing Google Sheets, you'll see it pop up. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open up a menu filled with a range of potential actions you can initiate using your Google Sheets account in n8n. For this demonstration, focus your attention on the Actions menu. It usually lists multiple tasks you can automate, but for now, just click on Create Spreadsheets to establish the foundation of your trigger. Next up, it's time to address your credentials. Look for the Credentials option and click on it. This section is vital as it securely stores the permissions needed for n8n to interact with Google Sheets on your behalf. Here you'll need to create a new credential. Simply click on Create New Credential. Now it's time for the magic moment, actually linking your Google account with n8n. This is crucial as it grants n8n access to your Google Sheets, allowing it to perform actions automatically. Click on Sign In with Google. This step redirects you to a Google login page where you'll need to select the email you wish to associate with n8n. It's important to carefully choose the right account, especially if you manage multiple emails. Finally, once you've selected the email, you'll be prompted with a summary of the permissions you are granting. Rest assured, these permissions are standard and necessary for n8n to carry out tasks in your Google Sheets. Go ahead and click on Continue. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Google Sheets account to n8n, opening a world of automation possibilities. Ensure that everything is in order and save your workflow. From here, you can further customize and refine your automation to really get the most out of Google Sheets and n8n's capabilities. Thank you for following along and happy automating!